here with WTI. Can one person own too many shot glasses? No. The answer to that is no. These are my favorites that I have right now. They're Gudetama inspired shot glasses. This one is so cute. It has this little butt. It says fairy egg mother, too hard for an egg, and eggcercise. These are so cute and funny, and I love having guests over because for some reason these are the ones they're always drawn to out of all the other shot glasses I have. They're 1.5 ounces, so they take quite a bit of liquid. Not only do I love these for myself, but I've also gotten these for a gift for people who like cartoons or specifically like this show. And they're absolutely perfect for sharing. And they're super easy to stack up and conveniently store when you're done. I love how each one of these glasses has a unique design. It's clear, it's a conversation piece. They're also a really nice weight, like you feel the heaviness and the quality in them. I absolutely love and cherish these. And that's my point of view.